Guys,
that.
it's time to shine for me. Can I mimic a dolphin?
Yes.
Go for it.
Yes.
Here she goes.
Or
I'm ready to hear.
I'm ready.
okay.
That's very cute.
Oh well, I will respond to you with the.
You know, Liz has a good one too.
Huh?
Was that you?
No.
Your mouth was open, Liz. I thought that was you for a second.
No, I was impressed. That was my impressed face.
Wow. Oh, wow, that's crazy.
for charity.
Heck, for
You don't
charity.
get